na kayo guys? I hope you are all doing good guys. Today, this time we cook beef stroganoff. Paki-search sa Google, hindi ko alam spelling. Okay, so yan ang beef stroganoff ko guys. Western tayo ngayon, okay? So beef, we made use of tenderloin again for us to at least have easy na lumambot yung karne. Okay, in a pan, naglagay na ako dyan ng mantika. Then we sear on the beef para meron siyang char taste. Okay, so yan yung crust ng beef. Seared na siya. At the same time, it's followed by our ingredients. There will be garlic, then onions. Ang stroganoff kasi guys, dapat maraming onions. Okay? Then, we bring out the aromatics. Tulad nga ng sabi nila, aromatics. Then, we put on the seared beef. Yan, kapag nangamoy ng kusina nyo, we put on the seared beef. I hope guys, nakapag-subscribe na kayo sa channel ko. That will be youtube.com/Jessie10806, and at the same time nakapag-follow na kayo sa FB page ko. That will be Jessie Aquino Juan, and nakapag-share na kayo ng videos ko so that maparami naman yung followers natin. Okay, to continue guys, nandyan na yung seared beef. So nilagay ko na. Tingnan nyo yung tsura ng beef guys. So meron siyang brown. Then paminta, pak. Rami. Yan, to add up spice. Siyempre hindi mawawala yung mga yan. Paminta. Then maglalagay ako dyan ng oyster sauce to add up sweetness. Then to balance the taste, mag-add up ako dyan ng soy sauce para sa saltiness na niya. And a vinegar for a little acidity. Okay, so very balanced daw. Okay, then maglalagay tayo dyan ng konting tubig lang kasi pang pa-absorb lang ng beef sa mga nilagay nating mga ingredients or seasoning. Kasi malambot na yan guys tenderloin nga, di ba? So, kumbaga, lomo yan ng baka. Okay, so, a little water, ilalagay ko dyan. Then, we simply cover it. Then, we bring it to a boil. Then, kung konti na yung tubig niya, guys, maglalagay tayo ng butter. Yung butter guys, pwede nyong panggisa, pero mas masarap kapag in-add up nyo lang. Yan, mas malasa siya. Maglalasa sa sabaw niya. Okay? Then, heavy cream, that will be, you could make use of sour cream or Nestle cream. Any cream will do. Total, dito naman tayo sa Pilipinas. Okay? So, whole mushrooms. Yan. Siyempre, you could make use of fresh. Others they make use of shiitake mushroom. Sa atin naman, since nandito tayo sa Manila, so mushroom. Bye! Till next time!